Hello, I'm Ralph from DYMO, and I'm going to show you how to use the DYMO Connect for desktop software. To download DYMO Connect for desktop, go to dymo.com. Upon opening the software, pop-ups will appear with tips and tricks for how to use it. After reading through these, you will then be able to select your printer. I'm using a LabelWriter 550 Turbo. If you are using a LabelWriter 5 Series printer, it now has the automatic label recognition feature, which means the software automatically knows the label size, type, and color that is loaded in the machine, which can be seen here. There is also a label counter to ensure you never run out of labels without notice. When creating a label, you can choose from one of our preset templates, or create your own. I'm going to start with a simple label layout. Here you can enter and edit text by double-clicking into the text box. Once text is selected, you can change the font, size, orientation, and more from the menu on the left. At any time, you can add text, images, barcodes, and more by clicking on the Add button at the top of the screen or selecting one of the menu options on the left. To save a label, click File, Save in the top menu bar. To print, click Print in the bottom right corner. To print multiple label copies, click the setting icon to the left of the Print button. As the labels print, the label counter will decrease. To create a new label or change label type, click New to view the label options. Note, this may mean that the label you are working on in the software does not match the label type loaded in the printer. If you are working with the LabelWriter 5 Series printer, you will be notified of this at the time of print. If you need additional support, please visit us at dymo.com.